Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your Day 2 severe weather outlook. We have an enhanced risk for severe weather tomorrow that encompasses east central Iowa, southern Wisconsin, and northern Illinois. Cities and tomorrow's enhanced include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, and Aurora, Illinois. There's a slight tomorrow covering parts of Texas, much of Oklahoma, far northwestern corner of Arkansas, eastern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, the northwestern half of Missouri, parts of Iowa, far southeastern Minnesota, central Wisconsin, central Illinois, northern Indiana, northern Ohio, and most of Michigan. Cities in tomorrow's slate include Detroit, Michigan, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Cleveland, Ohio, and Tulsa, Oklahoma. Areas in the dark green are in a marginal risk for severe weather tomorrow, okay? Areas in the dark green have a marginal tomorrow. Cities in tomorrow's marginal include Indianapolis, Indiana, Fort Worth, Texas, Omaha, Nebraska, Arlington, Texas, and St. Louis, Missouri. Going to tomorrow's tornado threat, there is a 10% chance of tornadoes tomorrow that encompasses east central Iowa, far southern Wisconsin, and northern Illinois. Cities in the 10% tornado risk area tomorrow include Des Moines, Iowa, Aurora, Illinois, Rockford, Illinois, Naperville, Illinois, and Cedar Rapids, Iowa. There are two areas where we have a 5% chance of tornadoes tomorrow, one covering north central Texas and parts of Oklahoma. A second 5% tornado risk tomorrow encompasses parts of Iowa, a tiny bit of Illinois, and southern Wisconsin. Cities in the 5% tornado risk areas tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Madison, Wisconsin, and Joliet, Illinois. Alright, and finally, the dark green area is a 2% chance for tornadoes tomorrow. Cities in the 2% tornado risk area tomorrow include Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Fort Worth, Texas, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. Now, if you look at the black dashed areas for tomorrow, the black dashed areas are level 1 of 3 of the Tornado Intensity Index. The black dashed areas are where we have the highest potential areas to see tornadoes of EF1 rating or stronger tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed areas are the highest potential for tornadoes to reach or exceed EF1 rating tomorrow. Alright, within the black dashed areas. So, I'm not saying it can't happen outside the black dashed areas. I'm not saying it can't happen outside the black dashed areas. It's just the highest potential for the EF1 tornadoes or stronger will be in the black dashed areas. Alright? So, cities in the black dashed areas, aka level 1 of 3 of the Tornado Intensity Index, tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Madison, Wisconsin, and Des Moines, Iowa. And now to tomorrow's wind threat. There is a 15% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow, covering parts of Texas, much of Oklahoma, far northwestern Arkansas, eastern Kansas, far southeastern Nebraska, northwestern half of Missouri, most of Iowa, southeastern Minnesota, most of Wisconsin, northern half of Illinois, most of Michigan, northern Indiana, and northern Ohio. Alright? Cities in the 15% wind risk area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Detroit, Michigan, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, and Kansas City, Missouri. If you're in the brown, areas in the brown are in a 5% chance of damage and wind gusts of 58 miles per hour higher tomorrow. Cities in the 5% wind risk areas tomorrow include Indianapolis, Indiana, Fort Worth, Texas, Omaha, Nebraska, Arlington, Texas, and St. Louis, Missouri. And now to tomorrow's hail threat. There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow. That encompasses, really? There is a 30% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses east central Iowa, southern Wisconsin, and northern Illinois. Cities in the 30% hail risk area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Madison, Wisconsin, Des Moines, Iowa, and Aurora, Illinois. There is a 15% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger tomorrow that encompasses parts of Texas, much of Oklahoma, far northwestern Arkansas, eastern Kansas, far southeastern Nebraska, parts of Iowa, northwestern half of Missouri, far southeastern Minnesota, central Wisconsin, central Illinois, northern Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and most of Michigan. The 15% hail risk area tomorrow includes Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, Tulsa, Oklahoma, Wichita, Kansas, and Fort Wayne, Indiana. And the brown is the 5% hail risk area tomorrow. Cities in the 5% hail risk area tomorrow include Detroit, Michigan, Indianapolis, Indiana, Fort Worth, Texas, Cleveland, Ohio, and Omaha, Nebraska. And if you're in the black dashed area is where we have the highest potential for hail to reach or exceed 2 inches in diameter or larger tomorrow. Alright, the black dashed area is the highest potential for hail to be reaching or exceeding 2 inches in diameter tomorrow. Alright, here we have the black dashed, aka highest potential for 2-inch hail or larger. I'm not saying it can't happen, I say the black dashed area. Alright, I'm just saying the highest potential for the 2-inch hail will be in the black dashed area. Alright, areas outside the black dashed area still could see hail of 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter. Alright, so cities in the black dashed area tomorrow include Chicago, Illinois, Milwaukee, Wisconsin, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, Kansas City, Missouri, and Omaha, Nebraska. And so, in summary, severe thunderstorms are expected on Tuesday and Tuesday night from the southern plains to the Great Lakes. Large to very large hail, a few tornadoes, some strong, and damaging wind gusts will be possible, particularly across parts of eastern Iowa, northern Illinois, and southern Wisconsin. Additional strong storms, mainly producing strong wind gusts, will be possible across parts of the Northeast. So, that's your day 2 severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. Alright? No matter what risk you're in, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow. Take today to prepare for tomorrow, and I'll go over all of this again in tomorrow's Day 1 Severe Weather Outlook video. Meanwhile, stay safe in the affected areas tomorrow, and again, prepare for tomorrow, no matter what risk you're in. And I will see you with the Day 1 Outlook tomorrow morning. Take care.